Let's move. Come onto hands and knee. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, align your back. Look your belly. Inhale, arch your back, cow pose. Exhale, align your back, cat pose. Moving at your own pace. Nothing to fix, nothing to force, just feeling. Come back to center. Extend through your fingertips and your heel. Find one long line from head to foot. Exhale, slowly draw your elbow toward your knee. Inhale, extend back out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Switch side. Keep your hip steady. Let your core gently support you. Breathe here. Strong, calm, and focused. Exhale, elbow to your knee. Inhale, extend back out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, extend back out. Create space again. Shift back into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Press the floor away. Feel the strength in your center. Begin to pedal out through your feet, stretching the calves and hamstrings. This isn't about pushing the heel down. It's about lengthening through the legs. Shift your body forward into plank position. Come into down dog. Slowly plank pose. And down dog. Moving at your own pace. Core is engaged. From plank pose, lower your body. Inhale, up your chest. And exhale, shift back into child pose to rest. Begin to take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale completely. Let your body soften here. Hips up. Come into down dog. Lengthen spine. Walk your hands. Roll your body. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knee. Inhale, arms up. Shift your hips back as if you are sitting into a chair. You don't need to go lower. Just stay where you can, please. Bring your hand to prayer as your heart twists to one side. Keep your knees hanging in. Hand to the mat, halfway up. Inhale, arms up. Hand to the heart center, twist to one side. Press evenly through both feet. Hand to the mat, halfway up. Step your right foot back. Inhale, arms up. Come into low lunge. Open your chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. One more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Hand to the mat. Come into half split, straighten from your knee. Stretch your back. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Inhale, arms up, low lunge. Open your chest. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. One more. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Hand to the mat. Half split, straighten from your knee. Stretch your back. Inhale and exhale. Look forward, stand tall over your mat. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch, hand to the heart center. One more. Arms up, palms touch, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Step your foot back. Plank pose. Lower your body. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Relax your shoulder. Look forward. Walk your hand. Inhale, arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Arms up. Palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. See you.